For our lesson 4, which is word problems involving functions, let us have this example. Example problem: Ruiz received 2 vouchers from J&J Supermarket, which offers 20% off and 750% off for his purchase. He went to the market and spent 5,000 pesos worth of groceries and decided to use the vouchers. First question: what will be the representation with a voucher which offers 20% off from the money spent on J&J Supermarket? So, we are going to write the function that will represent the voucher, which is 20% off. So, let's say that our x here is the amount spent. So, we have f of x equals to x minus the 20% of your of the amount that you are going to purchase, because there is a discount of 20%. So minus 20% is 0.2x. So we have f of x, which is equals to 1 minus 0.2, that is 0.8x. So this is our f of x, that the function that represents your voucher which offers 20%. So for the second question, what will be the representation of a function which takes 750 pesos off as a discount voucher? So it says there that the total spent of the grocery is 5,000. So the discount will be 750. So our f of x now will be x, or the total amount, minus 750. So let's have another representation here. So for the 750, let's have g of x. So this is the representation for 750 pesos off. For number 3, write a composite function that represents the 20% off voucher first and then the 750 pesos off discount voucher. So earlier, we get for the number 1 the function that represents 20% off. So that is f of x, which is 0.8x. For number 2, we got the function for 750 pesos off discount. So that is g of x, which is x minus 750. So it says here that we need to write the composite function that represent first our f. So f composite of g, f of g. So we have g of f of x. So substitute getting the g of x, x minus 750. We need to substitute your f of x to our x here. So we have 0.8x minus 750. So this is our composite function for number 3. Fourth question is, how do you represent a composite function that takes first the 750 pesos off discount and then takes 20% off voucher? So for the number 1 and number 2, we already get the function that represents the 2 vouchers. So we have f of x for 20% off, which is equals to 0.8x, and then for the 750 pesos of discount, we have g of x equals to x minus 750. So, to get the composite function, which takes 750 pesos off, takes first, and then the 20% off voucher. So, we have the f of g of x. So, we have f of x, 0.8x. Let's substitute your g of x to the x. We have 0.8 times x minus 750. So, simplifying this by distributing 0.8 to x and negative 750, we have 0.8x minus 0.8 times negative 750, we have negative 600. So, this is your f composite of g of x. For the last question, which arrangement of vouchers takes a better deal? Is it if you always use the 20% off first before the 750 pesos off, or the 750 pesos off first before the 20% off discount? So let's find out. So for the 20% off first, we have g of f of x, which is 0.8x minus 750. While the f of g of x, wherein your 750 pesos off first, so we have 0.8 x minus 600. So let's find out which one is better by substituting our x, which is the amount, total amount, 5,000. 0.8 times 5,000 minus 750. 0.8 times 5,000 is equals to 4,000. Minus 750, that is equals to 3,250. So for f of g of x, let's substitute our 5,000, our x, minus 600. So again, 0.8 times 5,000, that is 4,000, minus 600, that is 3,400. So, which one is smaller? So, g of f of x is smaller, so means this is the better deal because Ruiz get a lot of discount, more discount for the 20% off before 750 than 750% off first before the 750.